SP Tools 300-piece metric and SAE toolkit in Sumo Series PowerHutch. Sumo Series PowerHutch is SP Tools' mid-size storage system with onboard power. The wide series PowerHutch is 1066mm wide, 480mm in depth and a total height of 1610mm. It features 18 drawers with various depth configuration. The top section of the PowerHutch has a clamshell design lid with twin gas struts. The hutch has been designed to store your cordless tools and chargers. It includes a power board with 4 240-volt outlets and 4 5-volt USB outlets. The lower section of the PowerHutch has 13 drawers with 3 drawer widths, 1000mm, 570mm and 300mm, and various depths to optimise storage. The drawers are equipped with full extension 28 ball bearing slides. The slides are rated to carry 40 kg per pair. On larger drawers with dual slides, this increases to 80 kg. The side of the box is equipped with easy grip handles and are fitted on both ends to suit any workspace. The PowerHutch features 4 heavy duty casters, 2 fixed and 2 swivel. The swivel casters have an easy one-touch break, hold and release. The PowerHutch is painted with high quality dual layer UV resistant powder coat. The tools: SP Tools 85-piece metric and SAE socket set in EVA foam. The kit includes quarter drive metric and SAE sockets 4 to 14 and 3/16 to ½ inch, 3/8 drive metric SAE sockets 8 to 19 and 5/16 to 3/4, ½ inch drive metric SAE sockets 13 to 32mm and ½ inch to 1 1/4, 3/8 spark plug sockets in 5/8 and 13/16, quarter, 3/8 and ½ inch drive soft grip 45 tooth ratchet, quarter, 3/8 and ½ inch drive soft grip breaker bars, a range of quarter, 3/8 and ½ inch drive extension bars, and a range of socket drive adapters. SP Tools 25-piece metric and SAE spanner set in EVA foam. The kit includes quad drive combination spanners 6 to 19mm and quarter to 7/8. SP Tools combination spanners have 2 exclusive features that set them apart. The quad drive open end. This feature enables the open end of the wrench to grip on 4 sides of the fastener instead of the normal 2. The gripping point moves away from the corner of the fastener to the flat side due to the internal radius corners that are part of the internal design of the wrench. The dual flat drive ring end. This feature has 2 parts. First, the unique shape of the internal ring causes the fastening force to be applied to the flat side of the fasteners rather than the corners. The second is the flat top and bottom of the ring end. By not chamfering the internal ring of the wrench, we have extended the length of the contact to the fastener. This is extremely useful when dealing with damaged bolts or where bolts are recessed and access is limited. SP Tools 12-piece chrome alloy screwdriver set with induction hardened tips, 6 Phillip head screwdrivers 38 to 150mm in length, 6 standard blade screwdrivers 38 to 150mm in length. All screwdrivers feature SP Tools ergonomic dual texture soft grips. SP Tools 6-piece precision screwdriver set, 3 Phillip head screwdrivers and 3 standard blade screwdrivers. SP Tools chrome alloy pliers and cutters with induction hardened cutting and grip points, 200mm diagonal cutters with dual texture grips, 200mm long nose pliers with dual texture grips, 200mm combination pliers with dual texture grips. A 250mm 3 rivet heavy duty locking plier that features chrome alloy steel jaws, a 250mm heavy duty multi-grip plier made from chrome alloy steel, and both 150 and 250mm adjustable wrenches made from chrome alloy steel. A 4-piece circlip plier set made from chrome alloy steel, 175mm straight and bent internal, 175mm straight and bent external. SP Tools S2 chrome alloy steel 9-piece hex and Torx key set, 9-piece metric set 1.5 to 10mm, 9-piece SAE set 1/16 to 3/8, 9-piece Torx set T10 to T50. 10-piece chrome molly punch and chisel set with 3 chisels and 7 pin punches, sizes 2 to 10mm, 16-ounce and 24-ounce ball peen hammers with genuine hickory handles from a certified FSC timber source, and 40mm dual soft hard tip hammer with additional shot-filled head for dead blow function. 102-piece bit sets including quarter drive low profile mini ratchet. Bits include metric and SAE hex bits, Torx Plus and Torx tamper bits, Phillips, posi drive and standard slot bits, spline, square and spanner bits, and a range of adapters. The kit also includes an 8 metre retractable tape measure, a handy SP Tools all-purpose utility knife, a 4-piece mini hook and pick set, a 4-piece heavy-duty pry bar set, and a 300mm professional quality hacksaw.